Part 3 of the underground construction knowledge sharing. First one is this permeation grout is to similar like the compaction grout and jet grout. In Singapore is being used in Bugis village area. So this is Bachi. They do this kind of permeation grout to stable the shop horse. Next one, soil new, is for not so deep excavation method. Is using the soil or good quality soil as the anchor, so that by have this expansion point, then with grout, then can achieve a vertical surface. This is the basic procedure: excavation of small cut, then drill holes for nail, install and grout nail. And number 4, place drainage strips, initial shotcrete layer, and install bearing plates and nuts. Number 5, repeat the procedure to final gravity, meaning open cut the soil needle 1, soil needle 2, 3, 4, then permanent the final phase. So if some open cut need to go even deeper, soil nail cannot do the job already. We need to look for ground anchor. So ground anchor can go very deep. You can see this photo is around 25 to 30 meter deep. Method mainly similar with a soil nail, but this time it's going to drill deeper until the strong point, maybe rock or some solid surface. Then the front part is with tension, so tendons. So the one will be grout, so that is being bound into the grout hole, so that one can take much more larger the tension force. Next one is struct the system, innovative pre-stressed support like this, which is can reduce the center stress, which is the stress force transfer to two end, then transfer by this large strut instead of a lot of the small strut. This is traditionally there will be a lot of struts. On the right hand side is the improved version that the center can have the free space to do the work. Can be easier to do the bottom up, less construction joint. Cut and cover and the top down construction. Cut and cover means that we have to clear all the area not able to use on top, do the two set EIS wall, do the structing layer by layer going down to cast the base slab, wall, then roof slab, so on and so forth. But for top down construction, we can keep the top decking operational to the public, then the structing installed below, slab casting layer by layer down to reach the bottom. So this one from top going down, then from bottom coming up. Some of the structing method. Okay, so we can see on the left hand side is the structing with suture bar and the legging. On the right hand side is using the circular pipe strut, which is much more stronger in strength compared with the I section. So this is the tunnel under the Singapore River. So the time, in order to do a proper job, they do a river diversion. River flow in this way, but they divert to this way to give a better working space. This is some of the TBM, the earth balancing. So perfect condition, the pressure on the front face must be balanced. Okay, so pressure on the water and the pressure on the earth add together equal to the TBM, the reaction pressure. So if the water pressure and the earth pressure too much, okay, then when you press time, the the soil on the top may be haven. Haven means that the maybe pop up. If the pressure is too little, okay, so the thing will sink, sediment will be coming down. So water tightness requirement using the EPDM gasket. This is the cross passage construction, normally doing in cast in situ. This one is very hard to do the precast or tunneling. Next one I'm very interested is the ventilation standard rate, okay, a calculation. Because when we do the underground construction, always we will face the problem how many pieces of the ventilation fan we need to provide in order to achieve the desired the airflow. So here we have a typical air exchange per hour table, residential, office, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. Okay, then the method of calculation is volume of the room times number of the air handling air change per hour. For example, we have the office, restaurant, shop, workshop facility, blah blah blah. For construction, we can using for these 6. For example, if we have this big area of the confined space, we can using this quantity times 6 will be equal to the total volume of air to be exchanged in 1 hour. Then we will know that what's the fan we need to be provided in the capacity, right?